Hey everyone, it's Juan, and I've got a shocking stat for you today. Only 1 out of every 10 people eat enough of this kind of food. Even though it helps keep your heart healthy, your skin glowing, your energy high, your hormones balanced, and your tummy happy. Plus, it can help boost your mood and manage your weight while fending off some serious diseases like obesity, diabetes, and more. I will tell you what this food is and how to get more of it in just a second. But first, if you don't already know me, I'm Juan Guerrero with Your Personal Best Training Studio. And I help people over 50 years old to move better, feel better, and age actively. And able to do all the things they love doing now and would love to keep doing for the next 10, 20, 30 plus years. In case you haven't guessed it, this food is an entire group of foods, fruits and veggies. But for whatever reason, most of us don't get enough of them. Every day it's recommended that we eat 1.5 to 2 cups of fruits and 2 to 3 cups of vegetables. And I have a little see for yourself challenge today. For 1 month, I want you to boost your fruit and veggie intake. That is long enough for you to start seeing and feeling the difference. Here are a few ideas to add veggies and fruits to your meals. Make it a point to eat a salad for lunch every single day. Add spinach or kale to sauces, soups, or even your stews. Automatically add a side of veggies every time you eat dinner. Frozen veggies can make it this easier to save money on your grocery bill. Add veggies to your casseroles, even meatloaf. You can add spinach, peppers, pumpkin, etc. Eat fruit with your breakfast. Plus, I have a brand new resource for you, hot off the digital press. It's our latest ebook, the Plant Power Recipe Book. You can get your free copy by clicking through the link in the description of this video. So, 1 month to explore the power of fruits and veggies in your diet. Are you in? Let me know in the comments below. Just a reminder, if you're looking for a jump start, our 21-day balance and strength program will help you boost your basics with a proven plan to help you age actively. If you want to know more, drop me an email to juan@ypbtrainingstudio.com. And I look forward to hearing from you soon.